in the Air Force Park.
We're checking out some planes. Yeah, aircraft, some aircraft. Super hot, dude. What's the temperature? 36. Chewy. Look at the blades, oh. Huge. Pero we're not checking this one out. We're checking out this one. Doesn't say. We'll need to research kung anong top speed niya. Let's check it out. There's the intake. You see the intake? You wanna
Can I
see?
jump? Oh my goodness.
What's inside?
I see a ball there.
May nag-shoot ng ball.
I can't even move it.
Yeah, it's just a display. How about the rear ones?
Oh my goodness.
Why?
Look at those.
Dami, no? There's a lot of tubes.
What happens with yours?
Flat.
Go inside.
I don't think we can, bro. Let's check out the afterburners. Whoa! That is so cool.
That's so cool.
Put garbage inside. Oh my gosh.
Why?
Wala. Yeah. Check out the stabilizers. Is it moving? No, tigas na. Pati yung rudder siguro matigas na yung rudder. How about the wings? It's crumbling. Danger. Intake. Oo nga eh, yung design niya nasa front yung intake, no?
It's so long to put your back.
That's right, dude.
Oh, it's not even Christmas.
We're going to check this one out. What is it? F5. It's the F5
F5.
jet fighter. Cool, huh? So funny. Droop snoot. There's the intake all the way to the engine, the jet engine.
There's no water.
There is. Here. Covers on this side. Yeah. The wing is an F5. You're using the shade of the F5. See it? The afterburners.
Smaller than.
Bruh. Is it gonna be a smooth landing, bro? That's so awesome. There's a plane, dude.
Behind my ears.
Yeah. May reflection ng sand. Light radar kasi military. Bro, that is so cool. That was cool, huh?